Can we have Dr. K. Kishore, please? The next participant.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'll just present my screen now. Naresh sir, whether I'm audible?
You are audible, sir.
Okay. I'm just starting to present my screen.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
you're audible. You're audible, sir.
Okay. So very good afternoon to you all. I would like to sincerely thank HRDC Saga, Putambikar sir, Shalini ma'am, Anil sir, Anish sir, and my dear participants. So I hope you would have received my handouts, one PDF file and one Excel sheet. Okay. So those who have AMOS with you, you can work with me. So this will be like a hands-on session and a practical demo of how to run a linear regression. Okay. My dear friends, welcome to this research data analysis class. Okay, very good morning once again. So let me describe the basic of this particular data which we are going to work today, and then I will go to a demonstration. Okay, and after that, if you have any queries, you can ask me. Okay, so first, this is the data. No, okay, this is the data of, I mean, background of the particular data. Okay, research has been done to analyze the performance of 98 managers. Okay, you can see here. Okay, the 98 managers of farm cooperatives. Okay, so this is the data which is collected from a 98 managers of farm, and we are going to analyze their performance. Okay, so 98 managers performance based on knowledge, value, and satisfaction. Okay, so in further to further explain about this particular data, you can see here the performance is analyzed with the help of 24 items. Okay, 24 items, and knowledge has been analyzed with the help of 26 item, and value with 30 item, and satisfaction with 11 item. Okay, it means that this is a computed figure. Okay, we call it as factors, right? So the performance, knowledge, value, and satisfaction. Now we are going to work linear regression. We are going to check whether there is any regress, okay, between the variables. Okay, between the variables, and we'll be working out a model. Okay, we will be working out this model. Okay, this model with help of AMOS software. Okay, IBM-AMOS. So AMOS is nothing but it is a short form. Okay, it is a short form of analysis of moment structures. Okay, right. I'll just show you the Excel data, the actual data now, which I also shared it to you. And also view it. Let me open that Excel file as well to explain you how it is. You can see here. Okay, this is performance, and this is the computer data. Okay, computer data. So knowledge and value, satisfaction, and the past training. Past training will not be doing today. Okay, so this is the computer data, and with this particular data, we are going to work out a model by using AMOS. Okay, so you can see this is the model. What we are going to do: knowledge, value, satisfaction, and the regress is performance. Okay, whether it is related to whether knowledge, value, and satisfaction of a manager is related to performance. Okay, so let me work out with the help of AMOS. So I'm going to take you to this AMOS software. Okay, I'm not going to tell you more about this AMOS, but I'm going to just explain you how the variables can be put into this particular table. You can see here we have rectangle box and a oval shaped box. Okay, so rectangle box, I'm going to bring it here. Okay, I'm going to bring a rectangle box and oval box. You know, rectangle box will be used to denote, okay, to denote the observed variables which is inside the questionnaire. So for example, inside questionnaire. Okay, and the oval thing represent the unobserved variable, that means which is not in the questionnaire. Okay, so let me work out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work out this particular model. So I hope you know to work with AMOS. I'm just putting the model alone. Okay, right. So I'm going to bring the regress model. Okay, so arrow. Okay, okay, just here, this is the arrow which I'm going to draw from this box to this box, so regressing it, and the second box to again the performance box where we are going to input the data, and here from this box to this box. Okay, right. Now always you should know that if any arrow points to a rectangle box, a rectangle that is observed variable, then it should have a error term. Okay, it should have a error term this side. So let me put a error term. So I'm going to bring it here. So just click here and it's there. So I have brought it. Okay, fine. So this is error term I had brought. Now correlation between these variables. Okay, correlation between knowledge value and the other one. Okay, so I'm going to draw correlation. Okay, so from this rectangle box to this rectangle box, and from this rectangle box to this rectangle box, and again from 3 to 1. So now my diagram is ready. Now I have to input the variables. Okay, so I'm going to select the data. Okay, so here I'm going to click here. Okay, so I'm going to bring the file, the Excel sheet. I'm going to bring that Excel sheet. So file name, I clicked it. So it will take you, I have to browse it from the desktop. I have the folder. So I'm going to bring that inside this particular data. Okay, I mean interface. So I am moving it down, micro teaching. Okay, so you have Excel. Okay, if you have any query, you can put it in chat box. I will answer that. Okay, so in meantime, right now the data will come here. I mean the data sheet will come, the Excel sheet will come here. Okay, so it is linked with Google Meet, so it will take time little, so 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, bear with me. Yes, so it's now, and I'm going to work this sheet. Okay, so wherein 5 sheet, there are many sheets in that Excel sheet, so I am going to work it with wherein F. Okay, right. Now once it is loaded, I'm going to click OK. Okay, not yet loaded. Okay, so it will take some few seconds. Yes, it's there. I hope everybody sees that. Okay, okay, click OK. Now I am going to bring the data, okay, or the variables inside this particular sheets, okay, in our boxes. So here you can see. So let me take you 1 second. So knowledge, value, and satisfaction. Okay, so knowledge, value, and satisfaction. I am going to bring it to the observed variables. I'm going to bring it to observed variables. Okay, so knowledge, I am just pulling it. Value, okay, pulling it, and satisfaction. Okay, so whether I'm going to check whether it has regressed with performance. Okay, right. So I'm going, let it be here. Okay, and here I need to name it. Okay, I have to name this one. So I have named all those things. I have to name this error term also. So the best way is go to plugins. Okay, go to plugins and name unobserved variable. So this is the unobserved way, so automatically now it is named. So I'm going to run the analysis. Okay, so what I'm going to do is analyze properties. So first I need to save it. Okay, so let me save it. So only if I save the it will run the analysis. Okay, so save it. I am saving it in desktop micro teaching, micro. So that's enough. So micro is enough. So micro 1, save it. Okay, right. Now we are going to do an analysis. So just I'm click. So let it be, so by default maximum likelihood, right? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the analysis. So I clicked it. So here you can see it is running. Okay, yes, now it is successfully done. Now we shall go and see the result. Yes, now you can see how it is related. Okay, so this is a correlation. So knowledge and satisfaction, it is correlated, and with satisfaction to value it is correlated, and again value to knowledge it is correlated, and you can see the performance how it is regressed. Okay, so let me take you to this PDF file and explain about this. So this is unstandardized estimates. You can also have standardized estimates as well. So let me click this and standardized estimates. Okay, fine. So let me take you to this PDF file and let me explain the model. You can see this is the result. This yes, okay, you can see here this is the result where you can see okay, yes. Now you can see between knowledge and performance. Knowledge and performance.
Sure, sir. Sorry to interrupt.
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly finish your presentation fast because
Yes,
it
yes, ma'am.
has crossed time limit.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So the this how we need to run the analysis, regression analysis. Okay. So to complete, you can see this is the result, and perform knowledge towards performance. It is 0.41. From value to performance is 0.35. From satisfying to performance it is 0.10. Okay. So thank you very much. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So thank you participants for this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you.
Can we